Hi everyone, hope you're all okay. So today's recipe is gonna be very delicious and very special. Today I'm making Seviyan. So to make Seviyan we need 3 cup milk, 1 tablespoon raisins, 3 tablespoon almond, half cup of sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoon vegetable oil, and 3 to 4 cardamom and 2 cup of Seviyan. So let's get started. So first heat the oil on low flame. After the oil is heated up, put the cardamoms in it. Now put Seviyan in it. Stage we add water in it. Now we cover it for 5 minutes. For 4 to 5 minutes add sugar in it. Now cover it for 4 to 5 minutes till the sugar is dissolved. After the sugar is dissolved, add milk in it. Now mix it well. And again add milk. Now cover it for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. After 4 to 5 minutes add raisins and almond in it. Now mix it well. Okay, it's done. So the Seviyan is ready. It's time to dish out.